Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Buffbunny try on and review. I'm very excited. The stuff that I got is super cute and I haven't tried it on yet, so this is my first time trying everything on. And you guys know you'll get a very honest review like always. So let's get right into it. The first thing that I have, which I am beyond excited for, is the Game Changer bag. Guys, I have been wanting this bag forever. I just think it is the most amazing idea. There's so much you can do with it. I love it. So this is the newer version of the Game Changer bag in the black. So what you get with it has the Buffbunny labeling right there in gold. It has a little pocket right here. You can slide your phone in. And then this is my favorite part, which is the meal prep section. I think that is genius. I go so many places where I bring a meal, I bring snacks, I bring food, I bring drinks, whatever. This is a necessity, especially for when we go back to work. If I'm in the office, I can slide some food in there and we're good to go. And also, this bag is freaking huge, which is perfect because I have 1,010,000 things that I put in a purse. And I love a bag that I can put on my shoulder because I've had like arm bags that you hold like this and I just feel like it gets in the way. I feel like I don't have an arms, like if I'm shopping, if I'm at the grocery store. I like to be able to put it on my shoulder and like have free reign to move around and use both of my arms. So that's definitely a plus. And the inside is just huge. You have a zipper pocket up here, another little pocket to throw stuff in, another one here. You have the laptop section on this side. Let me show you. So there's the laptop section on this side where you just open that, and this is padded. So you can slide your laptop in there without like its own cover and you'll be all good because it is padded, which is amazing. And it has gold detailing all through it. The zipper is gold. You can also zip this whole thing up, which I love because I hate when people are snooping and looking to see what's in my bag. So I can zip it up so no one can see anything. But yes, this is definitely my all-time favorite thing that Buffbunny collection makes. I think it's literally a game changer. It lives up to the name, I swear. You all need this bag. Next up, I got some stuff from the like citrus collection. So this is the core crop zip up jacket in the citrus black. So it is a crop. I got a medium in this. I always size up in any sort of like sweatshirt or usually like long sleeves too. I'll size up just because I think that they tend to be a little bit more comfortable. So I did get a medium in this. I love this print. It's kind of like a floral, but it is called citrus. But it is like a little bit of a floral. It is hooded. It's pretty thick and it's actually really soft inside, but this is thick, so it's perfect for going into the fall like we are now. I can throw this on over my gym outfit, which is perfect. So I will try that on with the citrus short and sports bra, which I'll show you guys now. With that, I got the jade mesh sports bra in the citrus pattern. This is the lilac. I got a small in the sports bra. I'm always a small in Buffbunny sports bras. I think that it is pretty true to size. Some brands I do size up to a medium, but I find that Buffbunny a small always fits me. So this is what the lilac looks like. It's a very light lilac. It is strappy. So here is the back of it. That's what the straps look like. And then it does have this mesh section, hence mesh in the name of it. And then to go with that, I have the limitless short in the same pattern. It's the citrus lilac. So these are just the matching shorts. I got a small in these. I'm a small in all of the bottoms for Buffbunny as well. But these are kind of a mix between like a soft material and an athletic material. I'd say it's more on the athletic material side. It's a little bit more of that like slick material, not like the kind that will pill. So this is what these look like. They are high-waisted. There is a seam in the front and then the back just has the little Buffbunny logo. Super simple and cute, so I will try this on with the jacket also to show you guys. All right, so I just put the citrus set on. It is so comfortable, so cute. It fits perfectly. I would say stick true to size on both the shorts and the sports bra. Nothing is digging into me on the sports bra. The arms aren't digging in, the straps aren't digging in, so that all fits perfectly, but it's still supportive enough. I would say it is probably like a medium support of a sports bra. I don't have much to work with, so I don't need a lot of support, but with the thinner straps, I would say medium support. So this is it up close, and then the back. I do love the mesh. I like mesh on the back of sports bras just for like a little breather room if you're getting sweaty. And then here are the shorts. I love the length of the high-waisted. It's right above the belly button, which I think is perfect. The length of the short is also very good. It covers my butt cheeks. Nothing's hanging out. I'll move around a little bit. They will come up a little bit if you are like moving around. They came up a little bit, but it's not like they're rolling up or going up my butt crack. That's the amount that they moved. I think that this is a great length. Let's see if these are squat proof with the lighter color. Hopefully they are. But overall, I think that these both fit perfectly. I'm not having any issues with sweat. I think that you will be good if you are sweating just because of the pattern. Anything that is really patterned, I find hides sweat really well. The waistband on the shorts is nice and tight, but not too tight. There's no seam at the top here, so it's not digging into you, but I find that it does suck you in having a larger waistband, which I love. Here is the jacket. I absolutely love this. I think this is so cute. It's a perfect crop. It goes right above your shorts or your leggings if you're wearing something high-waisted. The inside is a really soft, like fleecy material, which I love. And then the little Buffbunny logo on the zipper. I do think that you should size up. If I got a small, I honestly don't think it would fit me. I think it would be too small. So I would recommend sizing up in this in particular. I do have enough room in the arms. It is very stretchy, but again, I sized up to the medium. And then the bottoms of the sleeves are thick with a thumb hole. So it is a thicker sweatshirt, so it is more for like the fall, winter months compared to like a light throw over for summer. It is on the warmer side, but I absolutely love it. There is the hood. I don't think the hood is like too obnoxiously big for a cropped jacket. That is it for the citrus portion of this. So we will move on to the Live stuff, which is the other collection that I got stuff from. I got the plain black Live leggings. These are in the color Onyx. So just plain black leggings, which I love. I wear black leggings all the time because I have a lot of like fun sports bras that I like to pair with black leggings. This material is so soft, guys. It is amazing. I love the feel of this. It is insanely soft. It's kind of like an Align, but a little bit more like spandexy, I would say, than the Aligns, but it has that like really soft feel to it. So these are the first ones that I got. The waist tapers in a little bit, as you can see, and then the back does have a little bit of a booty contour with the seams. And then I have the like full passion collection, which is this color, which is a hot pink. The name of it is Passion. So I got the same leggings. They're the same as the black ones. They're the Live leggings. I will show both of the colors on just so that you can see the difference between the color and the black legging. But I did get them in the legging, and then I also got the short. So same thing, just in the shorts version. Same thing with the booty contour, the tapered waist, same super soft material. And then I also got the cropped t-shirt in the passion color in the Live. So I'm so excited for all of the pink. So I'll show you guys all of this stuff on now. I love this bright pink color of the short, but first impression, I don't feel like they're very flattering. I don't know why, I just feel like I'm kind of like shoved into them, I guess you could say. The bottoms are pretty tight. I don't feel like I have a lot of stretch right here. So I feel like they're just squeezing my thighs. I like the other shorts a lot better than these ones fit wise. I do like this material, it is really soft, but I just don't think this is it for me. I do like the seams for the booty contour, but overall I just don't think that these shorts are the right fit for me. I'll do squat test for you guys. So, all right, I just put the leggings on. I like these a lot more than the shorts. So I will show you guys. Again, very high-waisted. Same thing with the booty contour with the seams. For some reason, the leggings just feel way more comfortable than the shorts. But overall, I really like them. I am 5'4" for reference, and they hit at a perfect length, like right above the ankle. That's how I like to wear my leggings. I'll do squat test, squat proof. Yeah, I absolutely love these. The waistband doesn't dig in at all because there's no seam right there. You do have a front seam, so there could be a chance for camel toe. I think camel toe kind of depends on the person, honestly, but whatever. I just put on the crop top with the black pair of leggings. So this is the crop top. So it does come up on the sides a little bit, and then it has this like U shape in the front and in the back of the crop top, which I think is cool. It makes it a little bit different than your normal crop top that you would have. I would say you could size up in this. The arms feel a little bit tight on me. I do have issues with arms in shirts, so that might just be me. But if you guys have the same issue, maybe size up. I did get a small in this, so I could size up to a medium, but then the like actual body part might be a little bit too big. But the arms do feel a little bit tight and like restrictive if I'm trying to move around a lot. But I do love this fabric. I don't know if you guys can like really tell how soft it is from the camera. Here are the leggings in black, so same as the pink ones, same booty contour. Again, they feel really nice, same length, everything. Squat test. I love these leggings. These leggings are such a good like staple everyday gym legging. I highly recommend the black pair. You can wear them at any time, and you can honestly wear these just like out and about with like a sweatshirt or a sweater or anything like that. I think that they're very versatile that way, that they have that kind of like everyday material also. I really like these ones. If you are worried about seeing sweat, I would go with the black. Any black leggings, you're not going to see sweat as much as you would with a color, so I would go with the black. I do feel like they cinch me in at the waist, and they hold everything in just based on that waist taper, which is really good. And then the booty contouring with the seams is also very flatter. The last thing that I got is the Naughty crop top in the pink. So just knots at the bottom. There's the little Buffbunny logo, which is super cute. As you guys can tell, my favorite color is pink. I love the material of this. This is like a like dry fit material, I would say. It's pretty thin, very like loose, comfortable seaming. I love this crop top. This one is way more comfortable than the last one. This one's also small, and I think that this one fits perfectly. It's not too tight in the arms at all. It gives you like a little bit of extra room, and I think it's just the material is super like thin and breathable, and it has the cute knotting detail, which I think is really flattering because it kind of gives you the illusion of a smaller waist with everything like, I kind of want this in every color now. I think it's so cute. It's super comfortable. I think it's great for a day-to-day kind of crop top too. Like if you are going to the gym and then you have to run errands after, this would be perfect because you still look like put together and you're not just like running around in a sports bra. I think everything was really great. I love the materials that they have. They're very high quality. They're very soft and comfortable feeling. I think that their sizing is very true to size. I am pretty much always good with a small in bottoms and tops, and I just size up to a medium in any sort of like long sleeves or sweatshirts that I get. Of everything, definitely the Live leggings. You guys need the Live leggings. They are so comfortable, so flattering. Second would be the knotty crop top. I'm loving this. I didn't think that this would be one of my favorites, but it really is. I think it is so cute and comfortable. And then of course, the Game Changer bag. Everyone needs a Game Changer bag or a Game Changer backpack. I cannot wait to move all my stuff into there and use that as my bag because I'm obsessed with it. That is going to be it for today's review and try on. If you guys have any other questions about any of the items, then just comment them down below and I'll get back to you there. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.